Right. So now we are moving to 2023 paper. In 2023 paper that you go to question number 3. So it is also an algebraic question, 2023 question number 3. So then I'm moving down and I'll start writing the questions like earlier. Question number 3 and part 1. And I want to expand 3x plus 2. So then I know that the 3 times x, it is 3x. And then the 3 times 2, it is 6. Okay, this is how I want to get the answer. So then the part 2, I have a, then I write x plus 3 and x plus 2. Then the x times x, x squared, x times 2, 2x, and 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 2, 6. So then you have 2x and 3x, it is 5x. You can write it nicely. So then the 2x and 3x, it is 5x. So then I rewrite and conclude my answer x squared plus 5x plus 6. I double check. X plus 3, x plus 2, x squared, 2x, 3x, 6. 2x and 3x, 5x. Therefore, my final answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Right, so then I will move to part 2 and B. Here I have A plus B squared. So then how I'm going to write A plus B and A plus B, A times A squared, A times B, AB, B times A, AB, and B times B, B squared. So then the AB and AB, it is 2AB. Right? So then I write A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. I double check A plus B squared, A plus B and A plus B, A and A and B, B and A, B and B. AB and AB, it is 2AB. So this is my answer. So then I will move to part C. That still I write question number 2, part C. Okay. Then I have 3x plus 2 and x minus 1, like this. So then how do you do that? 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times negative 1, negative 3x, 2 times x, positive 2x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. So then you have the like terms here, negative 3 and positive 2, right? So then I will draw the bracket, negative 3 and positive 2, it is negative 1x. And then you can rewrite 3x squared, negative x, negative 2. I double check. 3x times x, 3x squared, negative 3x, positive 2x, negative 2. Negative 3 and positive 2, it is negative 1, right? So then I can write the last part of this question. So that is question number 3. Then I have 3 brackets, x plus 1. Then I have x plus 2. If you can remember, we discussed similar question in 2000, the earlier paper also. The bridge I have positive. Then I have x and x plus 3. I told you, so when I'm dealing with the first component, I don't look at the second component, right? So then here I have x times x, x squared. And then I have 2x. Then I have 1x. Then I have 2. And plus x times x, x squared, plus 3x. So then 2x and x, it is 3x. Therefore, I write x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus x squared plus 3x. I'll double check before moving to the latter part. X plus 1, x plus 2, x and x plus 2. X and x squared, x and 2, 2x. 1 and x, 1x, 1 times 2, 2. 2x times 1, 2x times 2x plus 1x, it is 3x. Then the x times x squared, x times 3, 3x. So then I can write the like terms closer. X squared plus x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 2. So then the x squared and x squared, it is 2x squared. So then the 3x and 3x, it is 6x. So then you can write the final answer, 2x squared plus 6x plus 2. So then we'll check the answers for this question. You can see how I have shown them. So then I'll give you time, quickly check your answers. Right, so then we will move to the next question. That is question number 6. So move to question number 6 in the same paper. Question number 6. Right. So there we want to factorize. Again, I do the same thing. Right. Question number 6 and Roman number 1, part A, 18x minus 6. So then I know that the 18x I can write in a different way. How? 3 times 6 times x. So then that means I can take 6 out, 3x minus 1. So when you are factorizing, try to get the possible one that whether you cannot simplify it earlier. So that without simplifying it again, so that means you want to get the simplest version. Now here you can take 3 also out, but again inside the bracket you can factorize the children. Therefore, what you want to do, that the 18 I wrote in a way that where I can get 6 out, 3 times 6, 18. 6 I took out, 6 times 3x, 18x, 6 times 1, negative 1. So then I'll move to the part B. Here the question number 1, part B, x squared minus 25. So then I write x squared and 5 squared. And then I can write x minus 5 and x plus 5. So then we will move to question number 2. Question number 2, part A. Part A, we have 6x minus 2x squared. So then the 6x means 2 times 3 times x. 2x means 2 times x times x. Now you can see 2 is common and x is common. Therefore, what I do, I take 2x out. Then I have 3 minus x. 2x times 3, 6x. 2x times negative x, 2x squared. So then we will move to question number 2, part B. So then we have 8 AB plus 4BC. So then here you can write 4 times 2 times 8 times B and 4 times B times C. Then 4 is common, B is common. Therefore, I take 4B out. And inside the bracket, I can write 2A plus C. When you expand the values like this, children, it's easier for you to write the bracket component. 8, I write 4 times 2, A times B, then 4 times B times C. 4 and B common, so then the remainders are 2A and C. So then I will move to the same question, part C, that you have x squared plus 8x plus 7. We know that the 7 is a prime number, therefore we have only one option here, 1 times 7, right? So then how we are going to write it? So down I write that x squared plus 7x plus 1x plus 7. So then you have x plus 7 and plus 1, x plus 7. Right? So then we have x plus 7 and x plus 1. Right? So then the next question we have, the third question, right? We can move to third question. I put the question number 3 and there I write 18a squared minus 2, right? So 18 means 2 times 9 times a times a and 2. So then 2 is the only common thing. No? What I do, I take 2 out. Then I have 9a squared minus 1. This is 2 times 1, 2. Then if you can see 2, I can write in a different way. Now I'm using a box bracket. How? 3 squared, a squared minus 1 squared. They have given a word in the question, factorize completely. Now, when you take 2 out, so that is the part of the factorizing. But if they have told the factorize completely, it gives us a hint that we want to do more, that the word completely, right? So then I write 2, I open the box bracket again, then I write 3 minus 1, and so 3a minus 1 and 3a plus 1, and you close this. So this should be the final answer, right? So then the last one, the part 4, don't worry, I'll give you the time to copy down the things. So then we have 18.27 squared minus 18.27 into 8.27, right? So then first of all, you want to write down what it is, 18.27 into 18.27 minus 18.27 into 8.27. The next part, 8.27. When you write it like this, Pute, you can see that the 18.7 is common. 18.27 is common. And inside the bracket, we have 18.27 subtract 8.27. Now, when you subtract 8.27 from 18, it gives me 10. So then I have 18.27 into 10. And when I multiply a decimal number, so by 10, it takes the 182.7. So this should be the answer. I will show you my answer. See, So these are the answers for this question. See that how I have done them. So then I have shown all the steps, right? And here also now I'll give you a few moments, that a few minutes to copy down these.